Hi everybody, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. Today is the first Advent Sunday. That means I'm going to be opening up one of these packages, package number 1 of the Beware Advent Calendar. I did a post in my community where I asked you to join me on this Sunday, and just keeping things in perspective. From the commercial sense, it is an Advent calendar with goodies in anticipation of the Christmas celebration. From a more religious perspective, the first Sunday, Advent Sunday, it represents hope. This is package number 1, and let's just see what's in there. I am very much excited. Okay, I'm going to close my eyes so you guys can see first. Am I really? I'm going to take everything out. Oh, wow. And I'm going to show you. Okay. What we have here is Pico elastic. It is a wider Pico elastic that I usually use. I usually use 1 centimeter. So I feel this is a 2 centimeter wide band elastic. It could be used for panties as well as bras. I got two 1 centimeter wide band, 1 centimeter Pico elastic and 1 2 centimeters. We got some closure. We have the 3 hooks closure and we have the 2 hook closure. Oh wow, what? Okay, so we have channeling, which is usually 1 centimeter. Bra channeling, that you use it with wire bras, or on the sides you can use it to put binding in. Where else do you can use it in the front. You could use it in a corset. This is, would this be 1 point? No. Is this 1 centimeter? This looks like, no. This is 1.2 centimeter bra strap, 1.5, and 2 centimeter bra strap. It just depends on the support that you desire. You can go for either. I usually use 1.2, but they provided all 3. In this little sack kit, they have, oh wow, they have charms, a Christmas tree charm, snowflake, a little pine. Oh, this is so cute. A little pine and a heart. What is on the heart? Oh, made with love. Oh, how cute. And so they have the rings and sliders for each width of the bra elastic or bra strap that they provided, which is so awesome. Let me see how much I got. So I have 2. So for each size, they have 2 rings and 2 sliders. So it's something that you have to take into account, because I do know that for the Darcy, most of the Yves Le Louvre patterns, bra patterns, it requires more rings and sliders. So you do have to take that into account when you're making anything in terms of bras. But this one is made with love, is what it says. It is so cute. All the ideas that are flowing in my head right now. And then, oh wait, there is also this thing right here, but it's written in Swedish. What does it look like? What is it? It kind of looks like a bias binding maker, or maybe is it an attachment? It is a magnetic. I mean, I could figure out that much. Oh my goodness. I don't know what this is, but I'll try to take a picture and Google search it, because I don't know what this is. Okay, and then we have this beautiful lace. It is a red stretch lace. It has like these little leaves embroidered on it. It has a little bit of a metallic stitching to it. I should have taken my measuring tape. I was just cleaning, so I saw all of them. Hold on. Yeah, because I want to measure how wide it is. So let's see, it's about 22, 23. I would say 22 centimeters wide. It's like a galloon edge. So beautiful. So beautiful. Oh wow. And it has enough to definitely make a bra or an undie or both. And then we have some, this is some red power net. That is to provide some structure and stabilize. We have some bra lining. This one has some stretch to it. Where was this? The bra lining? No, sorry. This is the bra lining. Yeah. Which is enough as well. And is this? No, this is not stretch mesh. Well, at least not the kind, not this. Is it? I think this is stretch mesh. But I have softer. I do have softer stretch mesh. I feel like this one will give you some more structure. But in any case, cutie. So we got a lot. Essentially we got a kit. So these and the straps with 3 widths, the rings and the sliders, and some charms. Oh wow. And some charms. We have the picot elastic, also 3 sizes, at least 2 sizes, but 2 of the 1 centimeter. We have the bra channeling, the closure, the wider and the wider band, and the less wide. I don't know. And then this mystery tool. Oh, this is so cute. All right, so I would say thank you very much. You know, it's really surprising. It is a beautiful set. Oh, wow. I am in awe. It's really nice. I'm very happy. I'm very excited that I waited. So, as always, I enjoyed making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid. Comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. And you have a great day. Bye.